Hey guys, what's up? So food rich in potassium helps you maintain a good blood pressure. At the same time, it helps you reduce water retention, which means that avocado is one of the great food. But I'm sure that you must be thinking about banana, and that's very famous for having post-workout or pre-workout to have that potassium intake that it has in that. But at the same time, avocado has more potassium than the banana.
Welcome to BodyProCoach. That's Praveen and I'm Mehak here, and today we're going to be doing an avocado guacamole. Let's see how we go about it.
This.
So we take a serving big bowl. In that I'm going to take, I've taken 2 ripe avocados. So I'm going to cut them from the center, open the avocado.
So avocado is known as superfood and it's very high in few of the below vitamins. Vitamin K, folate, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin B5, B6 and vitamin E. So it makes it a very special fruit.
To that I'm going to add, that's 1 cup, small cup of onion, 1 small cup of tomatoes, lime juice, one whole lime. Optional, you can also add sesame seeds, you can add cilantro, you can add coriander leaves, whatever you like. You could add mint. So our guacamole is ready. Last I'm going to add some rock salt and done. It's ready to be served. So guys, the guacamole is ready. So I would request all you guys to please try the recipe and leave the comments below how it is being done. We have it mostly every day in our lunch as well as in our dinner. It's one of our favorites.
Yep. I think staying lean is difficult, but at the same time, if you have the correct food and the correct portion, you always get to stay lean through the entire year. And this is one good source of fat that we always rely on. That's avocado. And the recipe is here, so if you guys want to use it, and stay fit and stay lean.
See you, stay tuned.